Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tina in the house. So guys, we're gonna make some ackee and saltfish. Alright, I have the ackee over there and I'm cooking there some dumpling and yams. We're gonna pour some olive oil. I wasn't gonna make a video guys, but I said let me make the video. It's about 2 tablespoons and a little bit of olive oil here. Alright, and now we're gonna fry up some onions. Everything together, guys. Hey, it's a fluff everywhere. Smells so good. So I have green onion, or if you want to scallion, tomato, bell peppers, and garlic. Alright. You want to let this cook down a little bit. Alright guys, we have some blended seasoning here. I'm going to put like a tablespoon. And this ackee guys is from Jamaica, okay? So it was frozen. Look how pretty it is. It smells amazing with the blended seasoning. I will leave a link guys with the pure goodness. I like to make my vegetable cook down a little bit in this process. So another minute I'm gonna put the saltfish or codfish. My pot is bubbling over here guys. I should have get some banana guys, but I forgot. Alright, when you get it cooked down like this, I'm gonna pour the codfish or saltfish. So you know I did cook it already guys. I boiled it like 2 times. And I'm not going to add any salt because there's enough salt in here. You can add more oil if you want guys, but I don't. And this is olive oil anyway, but I don't cook with much oil. You want this to cook down a little bit for about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to add my ackee. You can't eat this just like that, you know guys. Yeah. A little trick, if your ackee is frozen and you didn't take it out like few hours ahead, you know, because my husband cooked it already in Jamaica and seasoned it up and all, just put it in the plastic like on the pot top. Whether you can put it with the food or separately, or you can just take it out ahead of time, or you can defrost it. Alright, it's up to you. Okay, so now we're just gonna add it over here. So this is how it's looking after, and sometimes they might get a little bit soft, but that's okay. The taste is still there. Alright guys, so we're just gonna pour it over here. Oops. Look, my husband put thyme and all of that pimento. Oh boy, this part never thaw out a little bit, so I'm just gonna like leave it. I'm gonna put some black pepper. And I'm not gonna stir it yet because you don't want to mash out too much. I'm just gonna cover it for about 5 minutes on medium to low or low to medium, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, after a few minutes, then you're gonna take your time and, you know, stir it up a little bit. Then it's all come together, because I don't want it to mash out that much. It doesn't matter, it'll go in one place, the tummy, right guys? a little bit more black pepper, and just turn the stove down, guys, and let it cook. Let it make sure it's warm up. It's already cooked, but just make sure it heat up nicely. All right, and then I'll come back. All right, my yam is cooked, guys. In about dumpling cook about 2 to 4 more minutes, I turn it off. All right, my peeps, and this is it. I put a little bit more black pepper. All right, we're not gonna make it mash out no more. All right, guys, and this is it. This is my Jamaican ackee and saltfish. Gonna serve it up with some cooked food, some cornmeal dumpling. Oh, so good, guys. If you don't have that ackee that you can cook by yourself, you can always get the grace one. All right, and oh, this one gonna do with some fried dumpling oil festival. Ooh. All right, guys, pot of bubble. All right. Ooh, damn, looking nice. Make sure you drain off the water. 2 pieces will do. Ooh. Fat so. Alright, I'm gonna roll with 2 dumplings. Alright, guys, 2 dumplings. See my dumpling them round and fluffy, guys. Fluffy. Alright, so that's what I roll with. Okay. Ooh. I don't like too much oil in my thing, guys. You know, sometimes you put oil and the oil is swimming in my bottom. I not work with that part. Ooh. When me done. Anyway, me sit down, guys. Look like me now go get up. Hi. You see, me have to take out more and more. I need to stop now. Stop it. Alright, guys, and this is it. Real Jamaican food, cooked food, ackee and saltfish. Yeah, look there, all the time in there. Woo! Boy, oh boy. Alright, guys, this is how it things set. Good Jamaican cooked food in the place. Ackee and saltfish, yam, and cornmeal dumpling. Just want some banana or breadfruit, whatever you have. Alright, guys, love upon me, and I love upon you. Steam, come out of the pot. Alright, guys, you have a good day. Bye, guys. Alright, my peeps, you know me can't go by and not taste the food. Alright, so we bless it already. Let's cut the cornmeal dumpling. And guys, try to make the cornmeal dumpling with some warm water so you know, pop out your little fast seat if you have none. Alright, I break out the one where you have. Cool it down hot. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hot. When you eat this, guys, you full your belly. You don't want nothing more food. Alright, guys. Oh, cut it down. Some like me, I'm dry and waxy. Alright, guys, me gone. Me not make no mouth water no more, yeah? Girl, you better can cook. Bye, guys.